In this example, we have been given a hydroxide ion concentration of a solution, and we now need to find the pOH of this solution. And pretty much in analogy to pH, we can write for the pOH of a solution, we can define this as the negative log to the base of 10 of the hydroxide ion concentration. And it's important that when we do this calculation, we use this hydroxide ion concentration. It must have the unit of mole per cubic decimeter, or just simply molar, or abbreviated as M. But as long as we stick to that, we should not have any problems with the calculation. So that is the definition of the pOH. So let's put in the numbers. So the pOH of our solution equals the negative logarithm to the base of 10 of the hydroxide ion concentration, which is 3.79 times 10 to the minus 4. And we've got it already in the correct units that we want. And if we put this into a calculator, we find that the pOH equals 3.421. Let's put it like that. So this is how you can calculate the pOH of a solution from its hydroxide ion concentration. I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.